Hi, this is Debbie Belaus with Feel Good Qigong. I'll be guiding you through a 10-minute meditation. So begin to gather your things. If you're sitting on a chair, have your feet flat on the floor. If your feet don't reach the floor, put a pillow underneath your feet. If you're sitting on the floor, then feel your sit bones touching the earth. And have a cushion behind your back for some extra support to keep your spine upright. And then begin to take a few deep breaths as you arrive into this moment, settling in. And we'll take a few moments to settle in by noticing the sounds that surround you, the sounds inside the room, as well as the sounds outside the room. Notice the temperature of the room and also the temperature of your own body. Can you feel the air touching your skin? And then ask yourself this question: how do you physically feel in this moment? It's an important question because once you know how you physically feel, then you can go. Then you will know how to self-care. And then ask yourself, what does my physical body need today? And how does your emotional body feel? What did you bring with you emotionally? There's no right or wrong answer. It's just an awareness. And then bring the awareness to the tips of your nostrils. As you inhale, feel the coolness of the breath touching the tips of your nostrils. And as you exhale, feel the warmth of the breath as it touches the tips of your nostrils. And notice that exchange of your inhale and your exhale. And then bringing your awareness to your feet. On your next inhale, inhaling from your feet and rise it all the way up to the crown of your head. And take a pause here. And then when you're ready, exhaling from the crown of the head back to your feet. On the next inhalation, inhaling from your feet to the crown of your head. And pause. And when you're ready, exhaling to your knees. Inhaling from your knees to the crown of your head. Pause. And when you're ready, exhaling to your hips. And pause. Inhaling from your hips to the crown of your head. And pause. And then exhaling to your belly. And pause. Inhaling from your belly to the crown of your head. And pause. And when you're ready, exhaling to your solar plexus, the space between your belly and your ribs. Inhaling from your solar plexus to the crown of your head. And then exhaling to your heart. Inhaling from your heart to the crown of your head. And exhaling to your throat. Inhaling from your throat to the crown of your head. Then exhaling to your third eye, the space between your eyebrows. Inhaling to the crown of your head. And pause. And then as you exhale, stay at the crown of your head. And imagining about 12 inches above your head a white light. And then begin to let this white light cascade down your entire body, all around your body, surrounding you like a cocoon of white healing light. And then as you stay in this white healing light surrounding you, begin your meditation mantra to focus your mind on one pointedness. Using the mantra so, hum, or I am, so hum. And if the mind wanders off, and it will, say the words neti, neti, neti. That'll bring your mind back to the one pointedness, and then start your so hum once again. And begin your meditation. And as the Tibetan bells wander off begin to suspend your meditation and sit in the quiet, sit in the stillness. And then set an intention for your day. Today, I invite into my life, and see what comes up for you and add that word in. Today, I invite into my life. And then lift the corners of your mouth up in an inner smile and repeat that mantra several times to yourself. Today, I invite into my life. Smile into that intention. Let it permeate in your body, mind, and spirit. And then keeping your eyes closed, rub your hands together to create some warmth within the palms. And then bring the palms to your eyes, soothing your eyes and your forehead. And then move the hands away from your face as you slowly open your eyes, like you're opening up a new shade to a new day. And then bringing the palms of the hands together, or you can also bring the hands to your heart, your chest. Letting this practice bring for you whatever you need. Namaste.